We're looking at the time. It's 57, 58, 0. Exactly 0. My watch is in sync with exact time now. We're looking at the US dollar to, the Great British Pound to the US dollar. This is a chart. This is a chart of the Great British Pound to the US dollar. This key turning point right here is July 2008, where it really shits the bed. And if we look really closely, there's something really important happening. Right now, it's testing what's called the resistance level of exactly $1.50. Resistance is when a stock price hits it, doesn't want to go below it, backs off, hits it again, and when it breaks through it, that's positive sentiment. And if we zoom in to tick by tick, right now, we've got a 1 minute candlestick charts, and I've drawn a line here of resistance. It's gone missing, but it was actually where was it? Where's my line of resistance? Oh goodness, I'm talking nonsense. Gotta go to tick by tick. The line of resistance today for the profit taking was at 15.064. And if we zoom out, we can see that. Here's my line. Okay, it's back on the chart. So today, after the profit taking, it dropped down to 15.034. Climbed back up to 15.064. Touches it a few times, it backs off. It touches it, and right here you can see, as soon as it breaks through that line of resistance that it formed today after the profit taking, it climbs back up to right here. If we put it in the chart, that is 15.074. And that's a nice one. That's 10 pips right there. It's gone back down now to 15.067, so it's approaching back down this key resistance level today, and I hope now that will act as support, so the price will touch it, but then it'll climb back up, and then we'll see an extension of the upward trend of the pound to the US dollar, which has been going on now for a month, and there's a lot of psychology involved, emergent behavior. You know, this line right here, if we zoom in to tick by tick, if we go positive, zoom right in to every trade that goes through, that trade going up and down right there is the result of thousands of nervous systems watching this and having expectations and knowing these pivot points and these support and resistance levels and making predictions on which way it's going to go. They're pushing it back and forth. The market's all about emergent behavior, about mathematics, the technical analysis, and psychology, basically. So it's 15.065. I believe it's going to maybe find support here and then carry on its upward trend. If we zoom out, if we go to, say, 5-minute candlestick charts and we zoom out, you'll see that upward trend. Here it is right here. And this is going back to the 22nd of April. An upward trend is a series of higher lows. And it's still holding out at 15.069. So that's some nonsense on the pound to the US dollar. If you're going to go on holiday, folks, you have to spend £1.50 to get, your pound will get you $1.50 US. And the pound is strengthening because earlier a pound was getting you $1.51 US.